How to verify Cash App Bitcoin. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can verify your Cash App Bitcoin, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to verify Cash App on Bitcoin, all you have to do is first of all open up Cash App. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Tap on the Bitcoin tab from the bottom right. Then you'll find this toggle here that says verify your identity. So all you have to do is just tap on verify your identity toggle there. Then it says we need a little more information to enable this and that. So just tap on continue again. Then after that, select the reason as to why you use Bitcoin. Select your main source of income. Select your employment status. Then select your job title and then tap on continue. After you've done that, Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits will get successfully enabled, which means your Bitcoin on Cash App is successfully verified. And now you can simply come, deposit Bitcoin, send Bitcoin, receive Bitcoin on your wallet, and this could be your Bitcoin wallet address. So this is the way on how you can verify Cash App Bitcoin. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.